Good morning, student. Today we'll study chapter 1 Super Senses EVS. Okay. So, students, super senses. Senses, what is senses? I tell you, in our body there are 5 senses, which is sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, here we are going to study regarding this. So, even animals, they have also different type of senses, like they can see and hear and taste, smell and feel as human beings. Okay, some animals can see their prey from far away, but some can hear even the faintest sound, and some animal can their friends by their smells. They can easily recognize by their smells, and some animals they can when they touch their friends, and they can feel that he is his friends. So animal has a wonderful examples of these senses. And student, how did the ant recognize a friend? You know what ant in Hindi? Cheetah. Okay, and was going alone on the ground. It was a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly come back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. An ant, they going their place in a group. Okay, and it shows a group that ants are coming from other side, and the first ant quickly come back to its hole. The ant guarding the holes and recognize, and they let it in. And here also ant can recognize their friends. Many years ago, okay, a scientist did experiment that he found that ants move. They leave a smell on the ground so that the other ants recognize, and other ants can smell that things, and they follows the other one. That is how they recognize each other. And even dogs has senses. Okay, you know what, dogs always mark out their own area on the roads. They can make out if another dog has come out into their area by the smell of its urine or potty, means a latrine. Okay, like students, you have nose so that you can smell, and you have tongue so that you can taste, and you have hands, you touch and feel anything. You have eyes, you can see, and you can see and everything, and you have ear so that you can listen the sounds. Okay, these are our senses. We have nose, that's why we smell any dirty things also. We can easily recognize the things from where these smells are coming. By these senses we can easily recognize the things. Students, even the mosquito, they have also senses. They can find out you very easily by your smell, body smell. Okay, they also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. So students, this chapter it's all about senses, the senses of human beings and the senses of animals. Okay, now I'll give you some homework, you just copy it. So student, these are two homeworks, two questions, you just write it down. Question number 1, write the names of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. Student, class 5 students, these questions are very easy, you just write by your own. Okay, and question number 2, name the animals that you would be able to recognize by their smell. Okay, without seeing them, you just write their names. That's it. Thank you, student.